and I sent the post request to this URL. And as we can see here, we have successfully sent the note and we got the responses 201 created. And when I Hey there, this is Veeresh Halli, and today I would like to give a demo of Rest API CRUD operations with example. This Rest API is created from a project called Google Keep Notes Clone. The link for that project is in the iCard and as well as in the description box below. In the previous video, we have seen the CRUD operations from Django web app, and we have seen the changed data in the REST API. And in this video, we will perform CRUD operations using the REST API, and we will see the changed data in the Django web app. I opened Google Keep Notes Clone Django web app in another window. Let me minimize this. This is how the Google Keep Notes Clone Django web app looks like, and this is the REST API. Let me minimize this. For time being, consider this as an Android application which is communicating with this URL. And now we will perform the CRUD operations from this Android application. I will go to the bottom section now, and I will create a node, and I will give the title as from REST API and description as from REST API description, and I will not upload the image now, and I will select the author as V, and I will click on post, and I send the post request to this URL. And as we can see here, we have successfully sent the note and we got the responses 201 created. And when I refresh on the web app, I should see the note here. Yeah, the note is created from REST API, and the description as REST API description, and the created date as April 8 and time is 12:28 am. Now time is 12:28 am, 8th April. We have successfully created the note, and we have performed a create operation here. And now I will retrieve and update the data by using its ID, and this node's ID is 30, and I will go to the URL and hit /30 to retrieve that particular node. And as we can see here, I successfully retrieve the node and I got the response as 200. Okay, and I will edit in the description section as, and I edited it successfully, and I will make the put a request to this URL now, and I click on put, and we can see here we got the response as 200. Okay, and we have successfully made the put request to this URL, and our data is edited successfully. And when I refresh it on the web app, as I can see here, I edited it successfully is reflecting, and the edited time as 12:44 am, and time is 12:45 am. Yeah, we have successfully retrieved and updated the data. I will go to the main URL now. We created, retrieved and updated the data successfully. Now we will delete the data, and I want to delete this particular data, and its ID is 30. I will go to the URL /30, and I retrieved the data, and here I got the delete option, and when I click on it, actually I'm making the request to this URL to perform the delete operation, and I hit on delete, and it is asking, I hit on delete, and that I got a response as 204 node content. That means we have successfully deleted the data. To confirm whether it is deleted or not, we go to the main URL, and as here we can see, we don't see the ID on 30 anymore, which means it the note is deleted successfully. When I refresh it on the web application, we don't see the note anymore. We successfully created, retrieved, updated and deleted the node successfully. We have successfully performed the CRUD operations using the REST API. And if you have any queries, please comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.